Chris Mikowski for Emerging Civil War, and I've got a little bit of a treat for you today. I was actually looking at old pictures and videos on my phone, and I found one from May of 2018 I'd forgotten about, but I wanted to share it with you today. At that time, Chris White and I were out in Mississippi commemorating the 155th anniversary of Grant's overland campaign through Mississippi leading up to the Vicksburg campaign. We were out there shooting a series of Facebook Lives for the American Battlefield Trust. You can find all of those videos on the Trust's Facebook page. Fantastic stuff. We had such a great time. Parker Hills was out there with us, Tim Smith of the West with us, and some great historians from Vicksburg National Military Park, including Leela White, who was the black powder specialist for Vicksburg National Military Park. She took us out to Fort Garrett and did a live firing demonstration for us, and I wanted to take an opportunity to show that to you.
It might help if I remembered how to do this properly. Oh, there we go.
So the guns go boom, and that's always fun to watch. I want to offer a special thanks to the American Battlefield Trust, my unindicted co-conspirator Chris White, Vicksburg National Military Park, for making all of that happen. For Emerging Civil War, I'm Chris Mikowski.